guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So kickstarting this new month, I thought I would do a GlamEgo unboxing because I haven't done one in months. So if you want to find out what all are inside this very pretty looking box, then please keep on watching. When you open the box, of course, you are first greeted by cards, and let's look at them for once. So as you guys know, GlamEgo is like one of India's leading subscription boxes. It offers really valuable products at a nominal cost, and here are 5 more GlamEgo facts that you must know. Hopefully you already know, and in case you don't, this will hopefully convince you to get yourself a GlamEgo box. So fact number 1 is that it sends 100% original and genuine products. Fact number 2 is that it is sourced directly from premium and luxury brands only. Fact number 3 is that it includes products which can be used every day. Fact number 4 is that it has hundreds and lakhs of happy and satisfied customers all over India, which is true. I can personally vouch for it because I am one of them. And finally, fact number 5 is that you get more than 4 times of what you pay. Again, this is 100% true because you only pay like $299 or $300 a month without shipping. Like, you do not have to pay shipping for it, for which you get products sometimes are worth around $1,600 to $2,000. So it's a lot more than what you pay, and I think it's a really profitable investment, so to speak. So definitely do try out GlamEgo if you haven't already. And now finally, let's look at what I have inside this box. So the very first thing that I see is this is the activated charcoal powder for natural teeth whitening, and this one is by HealthWit. This one costs around rupees 300. Okay, so this alone is worth the entire GlamEgo box, which is what I was saying about you get a lot more than what you pay for. Anyway, so this is basically for teeth whitening. I already have white teeth, but I'm still going to try this out, and I will let you know how I feel about this, whether this works or not. But moving on to the second product, which is going to be something that we already received previously. This is the Sesa Mud Hair Spa kit. It includes, I think, a serum, a shampoo, and a mud mask, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so the step 1 is the shampoo, step 2 is the mud mask, and then there's also a serum. And I've actually used this before, and this is really nice. So if you want, if you have hair that is really dry and frizzy, I would highly recommend this product. It's really nice. And also this one retails for $99, so it's really affordable. You can hopefully get this online. I will try and find links for it, or you can just order the GlamEgo and get it yourself in the box. But yeah, this is really nice, and if you have dry and frizzy hair, or if you just want to take care of your tresses, then you must try this out. The third item is this body mist by BioBloom. Again, this was something that we have been sent before, of course a different variant. I have another variant sitting right in front of me, but this one is in the variant Water Lily, and this one retails for rupees 450 rupees. And let's see what it smells like. It smells nice. Like, I've never actually smelled a Water Lily before, so I'm not sure if this is exactly how it's supposed to smell like, but I do like the scent. The other one that I was sent had a really strong and sweet smell, and I'm really sensitive to smells, so I unfortunately do not use that much, but I can definitely see myself using this a lot more often. So very glad they sent me a different variant, and I also quite like the size. It's really handy. You can keep it in your purse, you can keep it in your handbag, you can use it throughout the day. I like the size of this one. So anyway, now moving on to the second last product. So moving on to the fourth product. By the way, I really like the inside design, or whatever it is. I really like it, so pretty. Anyway, moving on to the fourth product, which is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. This is basically a trial size or a sample size of their body lotion. I believe this is really very famous. I haven't ever tried it out. This will be the first time that I will be trying it out, and it's also really appropriate since we are kind of like advancing towards winter and our skins are going to be really dry. So this one is supposed to, of course, soften and relieve dry, rough skin, give you 24-hour moisture. And because this is a sample size, the price is not mentioned, but I'm going to smell it, let you guys know what the scent is like. What the moisturizer looks like, and I actually did not put on any moisturizer today. Now that I am applying this, I just realized I skipped it today. But anyway, this smells like chocolate. Of course, it's supposed to smell like chocolate because this has cocoa in it, but this really smells so delicious, and low-key want to taste it, but you know, of course course I'm not gonna do it. But let's move on to the final, absolute last product, which is a liquid lipstick. Now this is by Voste, and we have throughout received a lot of different products from Voste. I have the lip gloss, I have I think some of the eye products perhaps, and this is finally their liquid lipstick, and the shade that I have is called Wild Child number 6, which is actually what I'm wearing. And as you can see, it's a gorgeous color. I love this color so much, but I'm still going to separately swatch it on my hands so you guys can see the formula, the texture and everything. And by the way, this one retails for rupees 600, which is like the standard cost for a liquid lipstick. But yeah, this is what the liquid lipstick looks like. It's got a glass bottle, you have Voste written over here, and this is what the wand of it looks like. It's a really sturdy wand, not like one of the flimsy wands that I have from other liquid lipsticks. And I'm just going to swipe it once so you can see the coverage is so opaque. Like, it's such an opaque color, and it's also like I think because of my soft lights, it's looking like a cool tone red, but this is a really warm tone, like an orangish red with really orange undertones, which is perfect for Indian skin tones because this will really perk up our golden complexions. So anyway, this is what the color looks like. This is what it looks on my mouth, and to be honest, I really love this color. Really love this color. Box is now empty. This is all that's left, practically nothing. And those were all the products in this month's GlamEgo box. I am very happy with all the products that we received, and the total cost of this month's box comes to around rupees 1450 or nearly 1500, for which you only pay 300 bucks. Like, that is what I was saying, you do get a lot more than you pay for. So it's a really nice bargain that you can get yourself. So if you do want to get yourself a GlamEgo box, I will have the link in the description. You can go ahead and click it, and we can be product frenzies, like people say. And that also brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Perhaps I speak a little too fast. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you already haven't. Do like this video if you like it, and I will see you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.